Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Therapy Guides 5-minute or less video tutorials. Today we are going to be talking about something a little bit boring, but necessary. It is the required paperwork to start a travel assignment. Basic requirements are that you have your respective therapy license, so your PT license, OT license, speech license, whatever your therapy license is, that you have your basic life support for healthcare providers, that your license is in good standing, and that you have 6 months to 1 year work experience. Now in former videos I have discussed that the work experience can be more lenient. It can be that you're a complete new grad, or it could be 6 months, it could be a combination of the two. There are different traveling companies that will help you as a new grad, so that is a flexible requirement. But the other ones are firm requirements. So then we're going to get into the paperwork here. So the paperwork is going to be provided by your traveling company, so you can start getting all this ahead of time if you know you're going to travel but haven't talked to a company yet, so that you have everything ready. But they're going to provide the paperwork either in an electronic form, so you would log into their system and input this into their system, or they may ask you to email it or scan it in. But they're going to have a whole spreadsheet of paperwork and provide you with all the necessary forms. I'm just giving you a little bit of heads up as to the main paperwork that you'll need. So first you'll need your profile information, your name, phone number, email, address, a professional resume, work references. That's usually 2 to 3 professional references. They prefer supervisors, and they prefer you to include their name, address, phone number, and email. You'll need a copy of your PT license, your driver's license, and your basic life support license. You'll also need an employment eligibility form. This is called the I-9. And then basic legal information. They're going to ask you a criminal background check information. It's like 4 questions. It's very simple. You'll have a skills checklist. So there'll be like a list of different skills, like, do you know the biodex? Do you know manual therapy? Have you worked with pediatrics? And then there's usually like a ranking, like it's not necessarily yes, no, but it's more I've had some experience, I've had extensive experience, and so it'll be a different skills checklist. You want to fill that out really thoroughly and appropriately, because that is going to help get you assignments. You'll need a flu vaccine or waiver form, your direct deposit form so you can get paid, that's your W-4, and then a taxable housing form. The taxable housing form will go into if you're claiming a tax home or a permanent residency, and it'll usually provide different questions to help you fill out that form. You also will need specific tests. You'll need a drug test, you'll need a blood test, a 2-step TB test, and then your physical. Note that these tests usually take about 3 days to 1 week to process, so you want to prepare adequate time to do those before or after your next assignment. Just to note, this is the basic requirements. Facility and specific assignments will have specific forms and tests. So those are the main ones, but like hospitals sometimes have additional tests they want you to do, or different paperwork they need you to fill out. So there may be a couple more forms in addition to the forms I stated. That's it. If you want to read more, you can go to my website debtfreept.com or get my complete guide on Amazon. Thanks!